Philippines and hello world. My name is Jermaine Eldenwick again, and I'm going to sing Fireworks by Katy Perry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag dripping to the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel you're only very thin, you sit under the tree, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that still a chance for you? Cause it's fucking clear. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like a part of the light. Baby, you're a firework. Baby, making them I should shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors turn. Making them you're gonna leave them falling down, down, down. Ooh. You don't have to be like a witness. You're always high in a favorite place. If you only knew what the future holds. After the hurricane comes the rainbow. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads to your perfect rose. Let the ball, your heart explode, and when it's time to know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like a bird of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come and show us what you were. Making them shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and let your colors burn. Making them you gotta live and go, boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Bye.